name is Kench, and I am the owner of Kench Pizza House. I am here to share with you today how to make a homemade pizza. Frontliners can make it too at home and ask for pre-orders to earn an extra income. We will be making today one of our best sellers, the Hawaiian Pizza by Kench. Let us start. First, there are the ingredients and equipment to prepare. Ingredients: pick 1 pizza dough, 1 bottle of the ricotta pizza sauce, 1 pack of cheddar cheese, and also 1 pack of mozzarella. Pineapple and ham bits. Parts of stamp. Equipment: the electric oven, pizza pan, the spatulas, mittens, and aprons. Then go to the dishwashing area to wash your hands. Go here. Thank you. Next, put the pizza sauce on dough. Spoons? Too many? I'm trying to... Right there. Next, put the ham bits, pineapple bits, mozzarella, and cheddar cheese together. Bits first. After that, ham, pineapple bits. Fold them up. Cheddar time. I closed it. Almost there. And done. Last, put the Hawaiian pizza in the preheated oven. Hot. Put it in preheat oven. Put it in the preheated oven and wait it for 8 minutes. Once it's cooked, you will serve it and eat it. Let's see if the pizza is done. Ama, open it. Please.
Participate. Excuse me. It's very hot. Don't touch, please. Don't touch, huh?
Wow! This is how to make Hawaiian pizza Kench style. Let's see. I hope that my demo on how to make homemade Hawaiian pizza by Kench Pizza House recipe will help the frontliners and the needy by making pre-order pizzas. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you for watching. Bye!